Medhaj Techno Concept Private Limited, a corporate leader.
हमारे जैसा कोई नहीं है और हम किसी के जैसा होना भी नहीं चाहते. हम किसी रेस में नहीं हैं.
Conquering the marketplace, being the most trusted and topmost brand name in consulting.
Our goal is always to complete the work whatever has been given to us, the time that has been given to us, and the quality is never compromised.
Medhaj is an institution with zeal and a mission for excellence.
Medhaj is a very special company, very divine company, and mainly because it's a true reflection of the value system and the beliefs of its founder, Mr. Sabir Tripathi.
We have excelled ourselves with a commitment to quality, performance, and vitally important, the client satisfaction.
As far as customer is concerned, customer is always customer. Customer is God for us.
With dedicated Medhajites, winner of more than 12 national and international awards, presence in more than 27 states, with more than 100 satisfied clients. Medhaj Techno Concept Private Limited is an ISO 9001, 14001 and 27001 certified, one of the fastest growing infrastructure consulting organization in India. Medhaj is providing high-end consultancy services and solutions for small and mega projects in India and overseas.
मुझे ये कहते हुए बहुत फख्र हो रहा है कि इस देश में जो भी इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन की स्कीम्स आई हैं उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा हैबिटेशंस और विलेज वाइज कंसल्टेंसी मेधज ने प्रोवाइड की है इस कंट्री में. तो इनोवेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में कंसल्टेंसी में वी आर द साइज वाइज लार्जेस्ट कंपनी. वी ओनली हैव टू प्रूव टू शिवा फाउंडेशन अबव इज फाउंडेशन बिलो. ये उम्मीद मैं मेधज में देना चाहता हूँ सबको. यहाँ पे हमारे साथ इनजस्टिस नहीं होगा. आप मेधज को मजबूत करेंगे, मेधज आपको मजबूत करेगा. मेधजो रक्षति रक्षता. अगर ये इतना बड़ा परिवार आपका हो गया तो आपको जिंदगी में कोई इनसिक्योरिटी वैसे भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. बी लाइक वाटर, टेक एनी शेप. आपको सिचुएशंस को हैंडल करने के लिए भी बड़ा फ्लेक्सिबल होना पड़ेगा. अपने स्पिरिचुअल वैल्यूज को स्ट्रांग रखना चाहिए. जो स्पिरिचुअल वैल्यूज को स्ट्रांग रखेगा वही इस जीवन में सर्वाइव कर पाएगा.
With the close coordination of its government clients, expert team of Medhaj comprises more than 2,500 professionals, providing their services of detailed design, drawing and investigation, preparation of detailed project report, quality control activities, project management services, policy and regulatory services, environment and social impact studies, GIS mapping and survey, pre- and post-project advisory services, construction supervision, energy management and energy accounting, skill development, capacity building, transaction advisory services.
Medhaj was founded in 2007. In the month of June, we started approaching all the utilities and ministries in the country. इस business को during my professional career I have known very well. और उसी मार्केट के जो गैप्स हैं इंडस्ट्री के, पावर सेक्टर के, उन गैप्स को ही हमने बिजनेस मॉडल बनाया. देयर इज ह्यूज इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन नीड इन द कंट्री. बहुत इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन होना है, गांव-गांव तक बिजली पहुंचनी है और इस फैक्ट को कोई भी डिनाई नहीं कर सकता. ये पावर सेक्टर है, इट इज़ अ नेवर एंडिंग सेक्टर. गांव-गांव में पहले बिजली पहुंचनी है, फिर उनका मॉडर्नाइजेशन होना है, अपग्रेडेशन होना है. इसी को हमने बिजनेस मॉडल बना के हम लोग चले.
Medhaj have worked extensively for the government-funded schemes and projects to effectively monitor the scheme in a cost-effective and time-bound manner for the large benefit of society.
Actually, we have a great role to play in building up the infrastructure of the country as far as the electricity department is concerned. We are one of the companies who do not outsource our work, and we hire people, and we have around 2,500 people in our company who are actually on the field to get the job done.
As a consultant, it was our responsibility to apprise the various stakeholders of the progress of the schemes or projects in the sectors like power generation, transmission, distributions, renewable power sectors like solar, wind, hydro, biomass, smart grid, roads, bridges and highways, housing, group housings, IT and IT engineering services, smart cities, urban and rural infrastructure, GIS mappings, railways, water and sanitation, irrigation, skill development, oil and gas, security and surveillance, education, industrial infrastructure, civil aviation, media, etc.
Medhaj is one company, the only company of its kind, which has grown from zero to a company of 2,500 people in the consulting field.
Our success is built upon an environment that leaves a significant space for nurturing innovative ideas in consulting sector by putting quality at the heart of our assignments. Team Medhaj is firm believer of its 7 core values, O Big Cat, and always endeavors to deliver highest quality outputs to the utmost satisfaction of the clients.
We take a lot of pride in the client base which we have created because without no organization really can exist without the support of the clients, and we are very happy that we have a strong base of our satisfied happy clients, and you name the utility in power sector or roads, and they are in the client list.
Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Road Transport and Highway, Power Finance Corporation, Rural Electrification Corporation, Power Grid Corporation, State Power Distribution Companies, State or Central Regulatory Authorities, Smart Cities, SPV, and few international financial institutions like World Bank, Asian Development Bank, United Nations Development Programme, JICA, Exim Bank.
We have big fours, the biggest 4 consulting and audit companies, and he gave a target that by 2022 we should have big 8, and the rest 4 companies should be Indian companies, because none of the existing big fours have any of the Indian companies in that list. Subsequently we 2000 Medhajites, when we celebrated our annual day, we pledged that we will try to work towards the dream of an Indian company to be in those big 8.
Medhaj is the first Indian consulting firm alignment with Honorable PM Mr. Narendra Modi ji's dream of Big 8.
क्या आप का लक्ष्य तय कर सकते हैं? बिग 4 को बिग 8 में बदल देंगे, और जो बिग 8 होंगे उसमें बिग 4 यही मेरे सामने जो लोग हैं उन्हीं में से होंगे दोस्तों.
Medhaj brings together professionals from diverse disciplines with complementary skills. The depth of knowledge and experience of our professionals allow us to undertake large-scale complex assignments within strict timeline. The independent and open training culture in Medhaj allows the professionals to generously share knowledge and perspectives with others.
We are a pure consulting company in infrastructure sector. Most of our work is in power sector, where we are now seen as the leaders in the domain we are handling, which is mainly around power sector at this point, and we deal mainly with government clients, and our most of the work is around a flagship scheme of Government of India. Medhaj is all about its people, that we don't want to hire from best of the institute, best of the colleges of the world. Rather, we will continue to hire people with very normal background, normal college, and make them extraordinary with our processes, because we have a very strong management team with best of experience, best of skills, and their job will be to give an extraordinary experience to our coming employees to every employee who comes at Medhaj, so that they become extraordinary and they get a huge satisfaction in their career as their career progress with Medhaj. We are on job to make this organization world class.
Medhaj has a large leadership team of competent and highly qualified professionals who are specialized in their respective fields and leading more than 2,500 professionals and experts. The interdisciplinary approach offers productive integration of scientific and management expertise to tackle the consulting issues being faced by the industry.
Medhaj has been assisting the Government of India in implementation of various flagship schemes like RAPDRP and RGGY since its inception. Now we are assisting the distribution companies in the new schemes recently launched by Government of India like Saubhagya, DDUI and IPDL, which have proven to be the turning point in the development and modernization of the distribution sector in the country. Recently, our PM has announced that 100% villages have been electrified, and Medhaj has been feeling proud that we have been associated with such a 100% electrification work, wherein our engineers have worked like a Azad-e-Hind Fauj to make the dream of our Honorable PM a reality.
To embark on a journey of success, one needs the tools of preparedness, foresight and strategy. These lead to the path of growth and high quality operation.
Team Medhaj is spread pan-India, and we are operating, our team is operating from very remote sites also, and it is only because of the leadership and guidance of our leaders, our portfolio managers and our team leaders who are providing them proper guidance, proper training, technical training and the moral value.
We are working towards consolidating ourselves on a very strong platform to contribute significantly in the revolution of infrastructure development being envisaged in the country.
Actually, we have a fleet of engineer girls with us who are technically very sound, and we ensure that we give them a stress-free and safe environment. Actually, they are the front runners of the company here and the main revenue generators. Our CMD ensures that everybody in the company is in touch with the spiritual side of his or hers and be a good human being, because it's very important to be a good human being, because good people can only make a good company, good enterprise.
Medhaj is known in marketplace as one of the best employers for women employees.
हर एक एम्प्लॉय का कंट्रीब्यूशन इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है, टॉप से लेके बॉटम तक. लास्ट साइड पे असम हो, चाहे झारखंड हो, उड़ीसा हो, राजस्थान हो, गुजरात हो, पंजाब हो, ऑल ओवर जितने भी इंडिया के स्टेट्स हैं हम लोग सब जगह अवेलेबल हैं. एंड हर एक एम्प्लॉय जो वहाँ पे मेधज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, उसका हर एक एक्शन मेधज की ग्रोथ को कंटिन्यूसली सपोर्ट करता है. वही कंट्रीब्यूशन है रियल.
Medhaj endeavors to contribute in the acceleration of the growth of power industry by providing highly integrated consultancy services. We have a healthy mix of professionals with deep knowledge and specialization.
वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का मेधज में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मुझे जॉब करते हुए 6 साल हो गया, और मैंने यहाँ देखा है कि वुमेन के लिए यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप है, बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हमें मिलती हैं.
The independent and open culture in Medhaj allows the professionals to generously share knowledge and perspective with others. Our efforts have been recognized by many institutions, and Medhaj received various prestigious awards like MSME National Award 2014 and 2015 by Ministry of MSME, Government of India. Visionaries of Uttar Pradesh Award by Government of Uttar Pradesh. Most Promising Brand of the Year, Infrastructure Consultancy by World Brands Review Corporation. Entrepreneurship Excellence Awards 2012 by Brands Academy. Indian Leadership Award by All India Achievers Foundation. Business Leadership Award by Institute of Economic Studies. India Mart Leaders of Tomorrow Award by ET Now. Excellence Award in Productivity, Quality, Innovation and Management by Institute of Economic Studies. Udyog Ratna Award by Institute of Economic Studies. Medhaj has global exposure and pan-India presence with regional and project office globally with more than 100 satisfied clients. A testimonial to this fact can be drawn from our ever-increasing number of satisfied clients and geographical footprints across 28 states and union territories in India. We are Medhaj. Medhajo Rakshati Rakshat.
We are
With a global vision and dedication to serve the need of every client, we are shaping a better tomorrow. This is the beginning of a new era of consulting.